Hi guys, this is Jackson here, and today we are going to review this Toad 24 mouse from Portronics. So this is a wireless mouse which works on RFID. It doesn't have Bluetooth, inbuilt Bluetooth. So I have got this from the Portronics website for 399 rupees. I'll just go through the features. So it has a USB Nano dongle, and the main feature of this mouse is that has a ergonomic design. I'll just show you. Low energy consumption, click wheel, and adjustable DPI. So inside the box we have these two things. This is the Portronics warranty card, and this is the actual mouse. So it's a very lightweight mouse without the batteries. Currently I have not installed batteries in this. So if you see the design, it's a very ergonomic design. So this is my right hand. I'm a right-handed person. So if you see my thumb, this part of my hand rests very easily on this, and it's very comfortable to hold. And these two fingers go on the right and left click, and the scroll wheel is also very smooth, and it is having this chrome finish which gives it a very premium feel. This button is used to adjust the DPI, and these two buttons are for scrolling. So these are also very soft buttons, so you can just press them very easily with the thumb without much effort. These two buttons are even softer than the right and left click. The sound is not that much. The sound click feel is there, but it is not that much. Then on this side also it's a bit extended, so that these rest of the two fingers can also sit very comfy in this. So it's not big, as well as it is not a very small mouse as well. So my hand is normally, I'll consider, in a small sized hand. So if you can see, I can hold it very easily. So this is the back side of the mouse. You have the on off switch here, and this is the battery cover. So once we remove the cover, you have a space to insert two AAA batteries, the thin ones, and this is the USB Nano dongle. So this is a small size dongle which normally comes in every mouse. Nowadays it will come like this only. So that's it for this video. There's not much to explain about this mouse. The reason I bought this mouse is because of its unique shape, and I was not able to find any this design in any of the budget mouse from any other brands. This was the only mouse that was offering me this kind of ergonomic design. I specifically wanted this specific design. So that's it. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comments. Thank you.